If you want to learn how to type faster, here's what actually works. Go to keybr.com first. This site teaches you proper finger placement and builds muscle memory, which is honestly the only way to get fast at typing. When you get there, you'll see a typing area in the middle of the page. Just start typing whatever words show up. The site figures out which keys mess you up and then throws more of those at you until you get them right. It starts with only a few letters, then adds more as you get comfortable. Smart approach because you won't develop weird typing habits. There's a keyboard diagram at the bottom showing which finger hits each key. Pay attention to that thing. Fast typists use the right fingers for each key. Hunt and peck typists just stab at keys randomly. You can see your words per minute right there on screen. You'll probably be slow at first, but speed happens naturally once your fingers know where everything is. Focus on getting it right before you worry about speed. Better to type 30 words per minute with no mistakes than 60 words per minute while constantly hitting backspace. Do this for about 15 minutes every day. Your brain needs time to wire up those finger movements. After a couple weeks, your fingers will move to the right keys without you thinking about it. That's when you really start getting fast. The site tracks everything you do and shows you graphs of your progress. Once you can consistently hit 40 words per minute, you're faster than most people. Keep going past that, and you'll fly through emails and documents.